Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Easy here. Today we will be learning how to properly use text-to-speech on Capcut on PC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and let's get into it. As you guys can see, I am already on Capcut and I'm writing a text that says I would like and subscribe to this channel, because I know you guys will. Either way, we have the text over here in the timeline and we're gonna go to text-to-speech. I decided to show you guys this example of the ones that say Pro, because you guys will need a membership to use them and export them. I don't know how much the membership is. If you're interested, you guys would just have to click on Join Pro, and if you're not, just go back to CapCut and use the ones that are free, which are the ones that you will mainly see like on TikTok or Reels or YouTube Shorts, like this one.
I will like and subscribe to this channel.
I will like and subscribe to this channel.
There are more, so you guys can explore, and there are some creative ones like this one.
I will like and subscribe to this channel. I will like.
Okay guys, so you get the gist. Just click the one you need. You click this option, it will create something in the timeline, and you can now delete the text if you don't want it, if you just want the voice, or you can keep both, whatever fits your needs in your video, and you export it to wherever you want. You can click the folder and click any location you need. Over here is the quality if it's a video. Over here is the bits. I always put higher so I'll have a smoother video. MP4 or MOV, and I always use 60 FPS. So you can also render it as an audio only, but that depends on what you need. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.